When you see the price of our carbon toy haulers we're moving right now, nobody else in the nation is going to beat me, period. You give me their build list, I'll give you my build list, I'm gonna beat them. This is a Keystone product. This is a carbon toy hauler. This is a 398 model. Actually comes in at 44 feet 11 inches. We have 6-point auto leveling. That is gonna work really, really well. You get in the uneven spot with these toy haulers, you're gonna take it off the truck, and then you're just gonna hit the button, it's gonna level itself out. One thing I wanna point out on this particular unit is the extreme temperature package. What does that mean? Every valve is enclosed in here. Forced air, heated underbelly with heat pads on it. So this one is be able to perform down to the 0 degrees fairly easy. We see the awning that's over the entry here. This is gonna flood this area at night with light really well. There's another entry here, which is nice because this one happens to be a bath and a half. So if you're out playing or you're at the tailgate and you're using this, people can come in and out of this garage area to a bathroom instead of going into your living space. This 398 has a 17-foot garage on it, so it's gonna fit pretty much everything. This back area around here is pretty nice. It extends your living space, keeps you off of the dirt, keeps you out of the bugs. I notice the dogs really like it. I get a good feedback on this patio system here with the railing around it. Got a nice awning on top of here too that's gonna help shade the sun. Here's a mechanical room here, kind of like in your house. Everything is enclosed. All your valves, you're going to do your winterization from this area. Color coded here too, guys, and they have pictures on where you need to set these valves for camping, winterization, those kind of things. So it takes the guesswork out of it. We have 400 watts of solar on top. This is a lithium battery system. These are 10-year warranty batteries, and they also have heat packs in them. They sense the temperature. Once it hits 36 degrees, they're gonna heat themselves up because we never wanna freeze lithium batteries. Onboard generator, there's gonna be times where you wanna run those 2 ACs when it's hot out. This Onan 5500 watt generator is gonna do that for you. Run both ACs, pop some popcorn. We've got you covered. Coming up front here in the Carbon, this is usually mom and dad's spot. USB cords, we can get rid of that in this camper. Just lay your phone here and it's going to charge up your batteries wirelessly. This one happens to be a bath and a half, a smaller bathroom, but it has a larger shower and it's taller. Definitely something to consider. I'm standing in the kitchen with the Peninsula area here. This is a great workspace. What I like about the Peninsula is in here, you're prepping food, you're cooking at the stovetop back here. If you got pets or whatever, there's one access, you can keep them out of your workspace here. A lot of campers, fifth wheels in general, you'll have a header height that's quite a bit lower. 6'4" guys, 6'6" guys are hitting their heads on there, coming in and out of this area. Much, much taller. We're close to 7 feet here. Across from the couch, these are heated massage. You're going to have the DVD player and the television. Now we're in the toy box part of this toy hauler. We have the second bath. The second bath comes in very, very handy. It keeps other people or the kids out of the living space when you don't want them in there. They can just come right in through here, use this bathroom and back out for the next adventure. This is gonna sleep 10 comfortably. 2 up front, 8 in the back. So got 2 bunks that come down an electric switch. They stop, there's ladders for them. These also on the sides here are a sofa that is going to fold down into beds, both of them, or to sofas, and you'll be able to put a table in here. When it's nice out, it is so much fun to come out in the back of these things and just hang out and just take in the views. I'm gonna bring up price here. This is a 2023 model. We have a bunch coming in. The buying show was just last month. This one, MSRP, $133,376. We're gonna sell it to you at $89,700. You bring me somebody else's build sheet, I'm going to beat it.